back to my channel, Fun and Love with Mahi. In today's video, we'll be looking at a website called Quizizz. Now, there are many different game sites in Chrome or in other browsers. Now, we might be getting bored and playing one game over and over, but this game has so many riddles, math problems, English sites, and many more. Now let's go take a look at it. So open a Chrome window. You can type quiz. Quiz.com. And you can make your own account and play in it. Now, let's search a quiz all about riddles. Enter that, and you have many different riddles. Now, let's play a game, okay? Let's play this one. We'll choose practice. It'll be coming like this, and it's a time-based questions, so choose fast. It is, what has many keys but can't open a single door? The time is running. It's a piano. What occurs in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in a lifetime? A second. The letter M or life. Letter M. Like this, you can play many games. Now let's say if you want to do math, just add math. You look at math problems. Now, suppose if you want to let's say you want science. We have science, chemistry, biology, everything. Now let's go back. The fun feature that I like about this is, you see over here, right? You can edit your profile, change stuff, username, everything. Now you can even change your own this edit profile. Now click on your avatar and change it to any one of yours. Lit king. This means the king is always on fire, literally and figuratively. I have been on a winning streak my whole life. I need to cool down. You can choose this or a unicorn, or a cat, sloth, spike, or even noob. But I like the king, so I have chosen that. Now, see over here, we have 0-day streak. That means we haven't played over so many days. If you play one quiz in one day, this will go into a little higher. So like that, you can do that. And suppose you want, and if you press on activity, you see that our quiz that we just did is not done yet. So completed are these many, and created is only one. So you can also create your own quiz. So now, if you're going to a school, you can just type your own game code in here and play, or you can practice like I showed you how I did it. Or instead of searching, if you find everything that you needed over here, you can play on that. See, we have mathematics, English, language arts, social studies, world languages, science, computer skills, and many more. Now suppose you're interested in food and you want to give a food. So food, if you want to give, you can keep it for food, for proteins and all. Now suppose you're a coder and you want HTML. Click on that and you have HTML quiz. Let's say you're a coder but you do HTML but you also do Python. You can type Python and you have Python. Now let's say you want construct a gaming app. Then you have construct. Then you have many more. Now if you want music, you can add music. So you can do many of these things. And stay tuned, stay home, stay safe until we meet again on Fun and Learn with Fun. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more new videos. Bye.